Anaheim, California, home of Angels baseball, Ducks hockey, the largest convention center on the West Coast, and of course, Disneyland. With a population of nearly 400,000 people, Anaheim is Orange County's largest city, and it also attracts over 25 million people from around the world each year, making it one of the busiest tourist destination cities in the United States. I'm Trevor O'Neill, CEO of Renaissance Partners, and welcome to Anaheim. Anaheim is located in the heart of Orange County. The city itself is very diverse, with the resort area, a revitalized downtown, quiet and safe suburbs, and the largest manufacturing district in the county. Anaheim is centrally located to everything in Southern California, just a few miles from Irvine, a half hour to the beach, and an hour to downtown Los Angeles. Just outside of the resort area is Anaheim's downtown. With major redevelopment and new mixed-use projects transforming the area, downtown Anaheim is quickly becoming a destination for professionals seeking convenience, style, and opportunity. Modern upscale apartments and townhomes, co-working spaces, and entertainment districts create a dynamic, walkable place to live and work. And with significant investment flowing into new residential, entertainment, and cultural projects, downtown Anaheim is becoming one of Orange County's most exciting up-and-coming neighborhoods. I'm here in downtown Anaheim, outside of the Packing House, a popular indoor food hall. And just across the street and down the block is the site of Renaissance Partners' next multifamily project, the Packing House Townhomes, right within walking distance of everything that makes downtown Anaheim such a desirable place to live. The Renaissance Packing House Townhomes is set to transform an entire block of old, outdated commercial properties into a sleek, new 3-story townhome community. It will consist of 39 3- and 4-bedroom homes, ranging in size from 1,500 to just over 2,000 square feet, larger units than any other townhomes in the immediate area. With thoughtful floor plans, each unit is tastefully appointed with modern fixtures and finishes, and each has its own 2-car garage. Several units also have balconies overlooking the downtown area, and many have a downstairs bedroom that easily converts into a home office. The for-sale housing market here is in high demand, with homes in upscale communities like this one just across the street are rarely coming available for sale. And when they do, they sell fast and get top dollar. Initial sales prices for the Renaissance Packing House Townhomes are expected to be in the $800,000 to $900,000. Rents are also very strong in the area, attracting many young families and professionals looking for an urban living environment close to major job centers and amenities. Renaissance Partners has nearly completed the entitlement process with the city, and we're preparing for final engineering and permitting in early 2026. This presents a great opportunity for investors to secure a preferred equity position in the project now before construction begins. The community is expected to be completed and the homes for sale in 2027, making for a short investment horizon with a sizable return. Want to learn more about investment opportunities in the Packing House Townhomes? Contact us at Renaissance Partners for details.